We're going to be removing a steering wheel airbag on a 2008 Mercedes Cl63. We're using a T27 Torx. Alright, so you gotta turn the wheel to the side, and from the back there's gonna be an opening to get to the screw in the back. Just gonna have to feel for it until it locks in.
Не, ну он там побольше.
And the screw stays in there. You're not gonna be able to pull it out. Just you have to leave it in there. Just make sure you unscrew it fully. Again, feel for it, make sure it's locked in. You're gonna double check the other side, make sure it's loose. And one thing to keep in mind is always make sure your wheels are straight if you're going to be going into a clock spring. And make sure your battery is disconnected before disconnecting the airbag. Okay, so this is your airbag. These are the screws. As you can see, they stay behind. They never come out, so. Now we're going to be removing the steering wheel to get access to the clock spring and the whole assembly with the turn blinker lever and like all that. We're using a 10 size 10 Allen wrench. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the bolt on back just a little bit. So when we're gonna be banging out the steering wheel, so it doesn't just pop out. And in that case, it would rip the wires and stuff like that. That way we have a chance to feed the wires through. Okay, this one came off easily. Usually some steering wheels, you would have to hit them from the back really hard and they would just pop off, and that would save you so you don't rip the clock spring apart. Okay, so this is a steering wheel. Make sure all the plugs are disconnected before you pull it off. Alright, now we're going to be removing the clock spring assembly. We're using a T30 Torx. One thing to keep in mind is make sure your wheels are set straight. That way the clock spring is not going to be at a different angle or anything like that. You're going to have a screw right here on the bottom. Okay, it's all the way in there. The screw does not come out, it stays behind. Okay, the whole assembly comes off.